Hi everyone. Discussing another important question which is quite frequently asked as a radiology image question, or it can be given as a separate clinical scenario in your exam. Now in this image you see here that you can see here many ring or bubbles. There are four such rings. Now in the rings you have to appreciate that there is a radiolucency inside the one ring and there is a radiolucency inside another ring. So there are two rings. You see here that there are two rings like this. There is a radiolucency here and also here. Now you have to understand that why this radiolucency is present. So with the red color I have shown radiolucency. Now why this radiolucency is because you know that radiolucency is due to air, because here they have shown the image of the vowel. So we know that in vowel there is a presence of air, and when the X-ray is taken, this is seen as a radiolucency. Now why this ring type of thing is seen? Because this air is actually present in the wall of the vowel. So you have to understand that this image shows that there is a air, or you can say a gas, which is present in the wall of the vowel. Like this, you have to understand that like this, that there is a wall of a vowel like this. So air is present. This is the lumen of the vowel. So air is present here in this wall. Now you have to understand this. This is shown in the X-ray like this. So it is known as, I am writing here, intramural gas, which is seen in the image. Intramural because it is in wall of the bowel. Now what is the diagnosis which comes to your mind when this intramural gas, which is seen in the pediatric X-ray? So diagnosis which comes to our mind first of all is necrotizing enterocolitis. So this is one of the condition in which this type of scenario can be seen. Now you have to, in the question you have to answer this part as a diagnosis, or they can ask you another question, which is what is the stage of this necrotizing enterocolitis which is seen in the image. So you know that necrotizing enterocolitis is classified by the stages known as Bell's staging. So in this image they have shown that the stage which is known as, you know that there is a gas in the wall of the intestine. So gas or air, so the term which is used for the gas or air is pneumatosis, and it is present in the intestine, so it is known as pneumatosis instantinalis. I am writing here, it is pneumatosis intestinalis. So you have to understand this, that this is the image of pneumatosis intestinalis. Now what is the stage according to the Bell staging? So pneumatosis intestinalis is the stage which is The according to Bell staging, it is stage 2, stage 2A. So try to remember this image, and this is a frequently asked question or frequently asked image, can be asked in your recent coming examination. Thank you and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will be posting more such videos on my channel. Thank you.